Hey everyone, welcome to ClickSetPad. In this video, I am going to walk you through a complete tutorial on Google Search Console.
Wow!
You are a beginner just starting with your website or an experienced webmaster looking to optimize your site for search engines. This video will cover everything you need to know. We will explore all the essential features of Google Search Console, from setting up and verifying your site to analyzing performance data, fixing coverage issues, and much more. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to use Google Search Console to improve your site's visibility in search results and stay on top of important metrics. So let's dive in and get started. Let's go! First of all, you have to search Google Search Console on Google. Click on the first link. After opening the link, you have to click on the Start Now button. Now you have to see two options. The first is the domain and the second is the URL prefix. Now paste the URL into the domain section. After pasting the URL, you have to click on the Continue button. Then there is the owner verification process. For the verification process, Google Search Console gives you the two options. First is a txt file and the second is a CNAME file. I will suggest you to use the txt file. Copy the txt file and open the cpanel. Everyone has a different cpanel. Every cpanel has the same method. Search the DNS manager on your cpanel. It takes a few minutes. After opening the DNS manager, if you scroll down, first of all, you have to paste your website URL. Next, select the txt option. And the last, paste the Google Search Console txt file. And you have to update your DNS manager. Come back to the Google Search Console and click on the verify button. After a few minutes, Google verify your Search Console account. Now you can see the data from the Google Search Console of this site. First, you can see the performance of your website. If you scroll down, you can see the indexing portion. You can see how many pages are indexed or not indexed. Or you can see the video page indexing. You can see the core web vitals of your website for mobile or desktop, whether it is good, needs improvement, is poor, or trend. If you scroll down, you can see your website enhancements, just as breadcrumbs, site links, search box, or videos. You can see the next option of URL inspection. For example, if you paste any URL of your website, it takes a few minutes for your page indexation. Now I will show you how it works. Paste your URL and click on the request indexing option. It takes some time to test the URL index. Now you can see my daily query already exceed. Now we go to the next option, which is search results. In search results, you can see your website clicks, impressions, average CTR, and average position. You can see the performance for 3 months or 1 year. For example, click on 7 days. Now you can see your 7-day performance, clicks, impressions, CTR, or average position. You can see your 7-day queries. You can see data about the pages that user open and which country user come. You can also see the user open your website on mobile, desktop, or tablet. The next option is Google News. Here you can see the data about Google News. It will show only when you create the Google Publisher Center. You can see the clicks and impressions of Google News here. Here you can see the pages, countries, or devices that I have discussed before. The next option that Google provides you is a page. Here you can see how many pages are indexed or not indexed. And you can see the data about indexed pages. The next option is video pages. how many videos are on your website and how many videos are indexed or non-indexed. You can view the data about indexed video pages. If you scroll down, now you can see why videos in pages are not indexed. The next option that Google will provide you is a sitemap. If your sitemap is successful, then it is easy for Google crawler to crawl your pages. Simply add your sitemap and click on the submit button. After a few minutes, your sitemap will be successful. The next option that Google will provide you is removals. If you want to not index any URL, then follow this process. Click on the new request button, paste the one that you want to remove, and select remove this URL only. It takes a few minutes to remove this URL on Google. Next, page experience. Here you can see the page experience of desktop or mobile that needs improvement or not. You can get guidelines on other aspects of page experience. The next option is Core Web Vitals. In Core Web Vitals, you can see whether many URLs need improvement. Here you can get information about mobile desktop improvement. The next option that Google will provide you is HTTPS. Here you can get how many URLs are HTTPS or non-HTTPS. You can get a few examples of HTTPS pages. For example, Google Search Console show you an example of an HTTPS URL. Google will tell you job if you do not have any issue. The next option is Enhancements. Here you can see the breadcrumbs. Google Search Console will show you how many breadcrumbs in your website or how many valid and invalid. For example, if you want to view the data about valid items, Google Search Console will show you the view of data about valid items. Enhancements. The next option is the site link search box. Google Search Console tells you how many site links are valid or invalid. If there is no issue with inside links on your website, then Google gives you a good job achievement. If you want to view data about valid items, then you can easily view your website valid items. The next option is videos. Here you can see the critical issue of your videos, how many video URLs are valid or invalid, or Google Search Console will tell you why your video has critical issues. If you want to view data about valid items, then you can easily see the data of valid items. If you want more guidelines on why my video has critical issues, then click on the Learn More button. The next option is Security and Manual Action. First of all, we discuss about manual action. In manual action, no issue must be detected. If the issue got detected, then this is a problem for you. The next option is Legacy Tools and Reports. Here you can get the information on web tools. If your domain properties have no tools, then Google Search Console will not show you the web tools. The next option is Links. Here you can get both external and internal links. If you scroll down, then you can get top linking sites. If you click on the More button means how many links you got from the other websites. The next option is Settings. In this page, you have to see the ownership verified, permissions, associations or change of address, and bulk data stored. If you scroll down, you can see the report.txt or crawling state. If you want to see the crawling state, then click on the Open Report button. After clicking on the Open Report button, you can easily see the crawling state. Here we will go to the next option is to submit feedback. If you have any issue, then type here. Also provide the screenshot of that issue and click we may email you for more information or updates or click on the send button. The next option is about Search Console. Here you can get any information about the Search Console. Thanks for watching my video. If you want a more detailed explanation of any video, just drop a comment below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.